Hello, nail art lovers. Welcome back to Nail Hub. Today we are diving into the mesmerizing world of holographic nails. Get ready to be dazzled. So, what exactly is holographic nail art? Well, it's a technique that creates a stunning rainbow like shine on your nails. It's like having a mini disco party on your fingertips. To achieve this magical effect, we'll need a holographic nail polish or holographic nail powder. Start by applying a base color of your choice, then carefully brush on the holographic polish or gently rub the holographic powder onto your nails. The light will bounce off the particles, creating a mesmerizing holographic effect. Now I'm gonna tell you how to make your holographic nails shine even brighter. Here are a few tips to make your holographic nails shine even brighter. First, make sure to apply a good quality top coat to seal in the holographic effect and protect your manicure. Secondly, try experimenting with different base colors to create unique looks. And finally, don't forget to take some stunning pictures and share them with your friends. Now come towards nail art inspiration. Now let's get inspired with some holographic nail art designs. You can go for a full holographic manicure for a bold and futuristic look and holographic essence to your nail art for a touch of magic. The possibilities are endless. And there you have it, the mesmerizing world of holographic nail art. It's fun and exciting way to elevate your manicure game. So go ahead, try out this amazing technique and let your nails shine bright like a holographic rainbow. It's a great way to add a touch of sparkle and uniqueness to your manicure. Let me know if you need any more tips or ideas. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more nail art inspiration. Until stay tuned, take care.